channel. Today I'm just going to do a couple of quick little unboxings for some new audio products from Godox. So the first one that I want to have a look at is the Magic XT1, and this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone that's ideal for use with your cameras. It's a 2-in-1 receiver, so it's a storage box and a charging case in one, and the microphone comes with a touch screen as well, so that's pretty cool. So it comes in a little bag. It's got the XT1. It has a couple of little magnetic clips, so if you want to pop the microphones on a clip as opposed to using something else, they're there. There's also a couple of little windsock sort of things that you can put over the top. It comes with your cables, various different cables, some extra magnets, a charger, and some other connectors as well. So they're all there in that handy little pack. Now, how you use it is pretty easy. So click the little button and that opens and the little microphones come off. So they're pretty cool. Clip that back on. Now this is what connects to your camera. So using your hot shoe, just slide that in there like so. Then you have either the USB or the output connector, which goes from there onto your camera. And of course I put it on backwards, didn't I? Let's try it the other way. And that just connects in like so. Then it really is just a matter of pressing the power button and turning it on. And then you have your screen. You probably can't see that in the sunshine here, but I will show you some screenshots of this a bit later. And obviously I will need to also do a recording for you, which I will do. But because I'm currently showing it to you on this camera, I can't record on this camera. So just putting it on the little magnets there, you can then clip this as like a lavalier mic onto your clothes. So that's pretty cool. And I really am kind of looking forward to having a little bit of a play with this one later on. So that is the Magic XT1 from Godox, and it's got the little screen, it's got the in. You can also put headphones on there too, so if you want to listen to headphones while you're doing it. And it just opens up really super easy. They slot back in there, and with the USB cable that comes with it, plug that in and you can plug it into power and charge it up. And that just comes in this super duper cute little carry case, nice and easy. You can throw it in your bag, throw it in your backpack, whatever. It also comes with a carry handle as well. So that, as I said, that is the Magic XT1 from Godox. Go check it out. I'll put the link down below. Okay, so I'm out here in the backyard with the dogs. I have got ambient audio happening. The dogs are just having a little bit of a play in the creek as they do. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. I've got birds chirping and I have got water. So I'm going to do a test with both this Magic XT1 on my Samsung A7RV, and I'll also do one with the mobile as well. So just some testing, walking around in the backyard, lots and lots of different noise happening. I'm just wandering around as I'm talking, just to give you a little bit of an idea and a test. And that's pretty much it. If I could get one of the dogs to bark or something. Whee! What are you doing in there, Dexter? What are you doing? Oh, you're falling in. No barking today, although I do have the neighbours' dogs barking. Alright, well that's it for this little test. I will end it here. The next one that I wanted to have a little look at is the Godox Cube S. Now, this is actually pretty cool. I really like it. It comes in almost like a lipstick. Click on that and it opens and you have your mobile connection and your microphones. So the mobile, this is for Android because that's what I have. Just clicks into the bottom there and it's super easy to use. It comes with two and it recharges in here. So if you plug in your USB cable, you can charge it from there. These are great little microphones. You can just pop it onto your clothes and use it like that. So they are super brilliant. I will do some audio with that, maybe just in the backyard, and check that out. And that all just folds in there nice and neat. If you didn't want to use the magnets, there's little clips that come with it. They've also got the little windsock things that will fit in over the top. It also comes with a charging cable, as you would expect. It has these little lanyards, so you can hang it off your neck, and you can, and all magnets of course, and you can connect them to the magnet. And you can hang them like so. So, all pretty cool. These are some terrific little products. I've been using something similar for a while now, so it's great to see these from Godox. They make some awesome products. I haven't really played with their audio products before, so that will be fun. Now please remember, I am not an audio expert in any shape or form. I am just a photographer, so I will be giving you a photographer's feedback on these. So this one comes, it's got here, it's a sleek and compact microphone with excellent audio performance, designed for content creators who prioritize portability without compromising their audio quality. And it is pretty cool. So even if you just wanted to throw this in your pocket, you can do. And it comes with two, so you can, if you want to interview, if you were interviewing somebody, you could have one and they could have one as well. Same with the XT1, that also comes with two mics too. So that's it for the audio from Godox. I will do some sample audio and load this up. I'll also put some images in so you can see it a bit closer up. So this is using the Godox mobile microphone set, and I'm just going to go for a quick little walk around the garden. As you can see, it's a beautiful bright sunny day. You can hear me talking over the ambient noise of the water in the background, so that'll be a great test. I've also got some birds popping around in the backyard. I've got the dogs out here with me wherever they are, and I have some bird noises too. So the jasmine's in bloom. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day. So I just thought I would give it a bit of a run through in the backyard, just so that you can hear what it's like with me talking with some ambient noise and things like that in the background. I'm just going to put my camera there and I'm going to walk away from it. So I've actually got the water between me and the microphone, and I'm talking, and I'm probably about 10 meters or so away from the phone. So I don't even know if you can see me. There you go, you can see me now, I think. So this is just using the little lavalier mic that is magnetic and clips onto your clothes, so that's great and easy to use, and you don't have to be right in front or holding your camera to get this to work. Please excuse the pole that I've got there in the background. So I just wanted to do a little bit of a test recording just so you could see what it was like in action. This is on my Samsung S21 Android phone. Okay, so that's it for the Godox audio. Go check it out. I'll put the links below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this enjoyable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time on YouTube. Bye for now.